Okay, good morning, students. Go ahead and get your self-start done. I'm going to ask the sub to pause the video until most of you are done. Okay, let's go ahead and review those problems. The first one says my horse is 16 hands high. Hands is a measurement used to describe the size of a horse. I want to design a toy horse that is 1/8 inch the size of my horse. How tall should I make the horse? I do 1/8 times 16, and that gives me 2. The second one says 3x minus 7 plus 12 plus 2x. This is just combining like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x, and 12 minus 7 is plus 5. And then you're done. Stop there. Do not try and do more on that problem. Combining like terms, you combine and you stop. Unless there's an equal sign, you can't do more. Today's jokes. One was student submitted. Thanks to the student that submitted it. It says, "Dear Math, I am sick and tired of finding your ex. Just accept the fact that she is gone. Move on, dude." Math, the only place where people buy 60 watermelons and no one wonders why. At the end of the hour, you will be turning in your packet. It should include your green cover sheet, 4 green worksheets, and today's work. Please hand it into the sub on your way out of the classroom. Today is going to start our RISE review. We review 11 topics over the next 11 school days. Today we are reviewing angles. There are 4 main types of angles. The first is supplementary. Supplementary is 2 angles that add to 180 degrees. So let's look at a problem with angles. If I know they're supplementary. I've got one angle that's 3x and one angle that's 2x plus 15. So it doesn't really matter. I can draw a picture if it's helpful, and I can label this 3x and this 2x plus 15. Well, then I know 3x plus 2x plus 15 equals 180. Combine like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x minus the 15 from both sides. If you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. 180 minus 15 is 165. Divide both sides by 5. I'm going to take my calculator. 165 divided by 5, and I get x equals 33. A follow-up that we haven't done as much of. If it asks you what the actual angle is, you can take the x back and substitute it in. You can say 3 times 33 is 99, and 2 times 33 plus 15, typing it into my calculator, is 81. That is supplementary. Okay, our second angle type is complementary. Complementary are 2 angles that add up to 90 degrees. Complementary are angles that add together to 90 degrees. So if I have an angle that's like 4x and another angle that's like 2x plus 6, then I would know 4x plus 2x plus 6 is 90 degrees. Now, at this point, I'm going to solve it. To solve it, I combine my x's and I move my numbers over together. 90 minus 6 is 84. Finish solving it, divide by 6, do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. Divide by 6, I get 84 divided by 6, which is 14. Okay, there are 2 more types of angles. The next type is adjacent. Adjacent means that they're right next to each other. Now, unlike complementary and supplementary, adjacent angles don't have a set number. So complementary is always 90. Supplementary is always 180. Adjacent can be anything. But usually they'll give you like the big one and one of them, and you have to find the other. So if they're next to each other, they add together to equal the whole thing. So then we solve to find what the other one is. And obviously I did not draw this to scale at all because that is not drawn to scale in any way, shape, form, or size. My apologies. The last one is vertical. Vertical angles are my favorite. Be cautious with vertical angles because vertical angles are not the same as vertical lines. They're same word, completely different. Vertical angles are across from each other. So if I said that this is x and this is 70, then I would know that x equals 70. If I had that this was 2x and this was 70, then it would be 2x equals 70 divided by 2, x equals 35. And that is vertical angles. Please note that with vertical angles, you can also do supplementary, because 180 minus 70 would mean that angle is 110 using supplementary, vertical, or cross. Those are the four main types. You've got complementary, supplementary, vertical, and adjacent. So jumping back here, today you're going to be doing some task cards, which is a game. You're going to be given, each desk will be given a stack of cards. Each group will be given a stack of cards. You're going to take the cards and you're going to draw one. Everyone at your table needs to do the cards and you're going to compare answers. So if it was me and I was playing, I would take my stack of cards and the first thing I'm going to do is shuffle them up and I draw a card. And then I do this problem and everybody at my table does this problem. We compare answers, make sure they're the same. If I was the one that draw it, I get to keep the card. If I missed the problem, then the person next to me gets to keep it and we go around the table until someone got it right. Then the next person draws and we all do that problem. Now mixed in the stack are some boom cards. If you get a boom card, you lose all of the cards you've earned. They go back in the deck and you keep going. Good luck, have fun, enjoy the game. I will see you on Monday.